Hey Douglas, what are you doing?
Much, just hanging out. What are you doing?
Nothing. So Doug, I'm sitting around the house here and I'd like to maybe pull out the Blackstone, do something real quick and easy.
Right.
Can you do the intro for me?
You can't do the intro.
I can, yeah, but it sounds so much better when you do it. I don't know why. I mean, you're the voice, man.
What are we cooking?
A steak dinner, maybe like a sirloin steak dinner. Just something quick and easy, you know, nothing too crazy.
You got it, bud.
Hey guys, Doug and Jamie, Pinetree Line Outdoors, and today Jamie is going to get back on the Blackstone, and you know what he's making? Some sirloin steak on the Blackstone. It's going to be so delicious. Stay tuned and find out how it goes.
Gonna throw some potatoes on first, guys. Sweet onions. This is some fresh garlic, guys. Sirloin. Now, sirloin doesn't take a whole lot of time to cook. Medium rare. I'm gonna do about 5-6 minutes each side. Flip, cut, make sure it's good. Off she comes. By that time, then the potatoes are gonna be nice, golden brown, nice and soft. You can put your spatula. They're soft. That's the way you want them, right like that. Nice thing is about the Blackstone when you're cooking steak, guys, is that you're gonna sear it from the top. You're gonna see how it sears everything in there. And that garlic's just gonna cook right in there. This way here, they're not going to overcook. I'm going to keep them warm. Medium rare. You're done. There you go, guys. Sirloin. Total cook time 22, a little over 23 minutes from start to finish. Prep time, a little bit more than 5 minutes. Montreal steak spice on the sirloin steak. Fresh garlic makes a big difference.
All right, guys, thanks for watching Jamie do his thing on the Blackstone once again. He has come through, prepared such a beautiful dish. Hopefully, he gets back at it again in the near future while we're doing this isolation thing. If you want to get in touch with us, we're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We have a website, ptloutdoors.com. We are Pinetree Line Productions. Thanks for watching.
Virtual fist bump?
Virtual fist